Hey guys, we're gonna fix the ice maker on my Samsung refrigerator. Look, I got a nice breaker bar. I got an AutoZone. What you gotta do is take the rubber handle off the end, like that. Place it down, and then open up the refrigerator. Take the ice maker out, and look at all the ice built up. And now you take your bar and just open it. It's really clogged today. It's almost done. There, you can hit it a little hard. It's okay. Samsung, don't get any ideas. And don't tell your customers this is the right way to do it. Because I'll have patent infringement rights against you. Alright. We're almost done. Let's go take the ice out of here. Because we do need ice for dinner. Oh. Almost done. Okay.
Maybe Samsung will offer the tool with each purchase.
Well, go to AutoZone and buy your own breaker bar. Try to get it on sale. If not, you can buy it and you can return it and buy one every time you need it. But I would really suggest that you buy it and keep it because you're going to need it. There it goes. Everything's okay. Good luck. And that's Keith, the repairman for Samsung.com.